Next, you will use the sewing machine to sew with a zigzag stitch following a line. The first section should be sewn with a stitch width of 1, the second with a stitch width of 3, and the third with a stitch width of 5. Adjust your stitch width to 1 and your stitch length to 3. Begin at the left-hand edge of the line. Line up the center line of the foot with the drawn line. Put the pressure foot down, hold the 2 threads, and begin stitching. Stitch 2 or 3 stitches, then backstitch 2 or 3 stitches before continuing to sew to the first tick mark. Stitch to the first tick mark. Stop. If needed, lift the needle into the upright position with the hand crank wheel. Adjust the stitch width to 3. Continue sewing along the line. The zigzag should now be wider. Continue stitching to the second tick mark. Stop. If needed, lift the needle into the upright position. Adjust the stitch width to 5. Continue stitching to the end of the line, backstitch. If needed, lift the needle into the upright position, lift the presser foot, pull the work out towards the back, and clip the threads close to the work. Clip the threads at the beginning of the seam as well. Check that your zigzag is centered over the line. If there are any parts where it is not, remove them and restitch. You are now ready to practice sewing on a curved line.